Every single week, I get paid into my PayPal account via what is called affiliate marketing commissions. And I want to show you exactly how to do it in this video. It's been quite a while since I've made a video on affiliate marketing. And in 2003, it's completely changed because of AI tools and softwares that we can use to instantly start an affiliate marketing business. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can go ahead and do that step by step by using AI tools. And I will actually show you live in this video how I instantly create affiliate marketing content to go and make money online. The game has completely changed. It's easier than ever to start an affiliate marketing business, and I'm going to show you how. And I have lots of experience because I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 10 years now, and it's never been easier to get started because of AI tools. Now, before we jump into this tutorial, guys, I'm still doing a giveaway for my course. What you need to do is find the emoji in this video, like the video, comment what the emoji is below, and we'll pick a winner for the next video. Let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to do affiliate marketing in 2023 for beginners. Let's go. All right, guys, so before we jump into this tutorial, let me explain to you how affiliate marketing works. We have something called an affiliate. That could be you or me, whoever is trying to make money. And what happens is we get a specific link that we can go ahead and share on social media websites, on our own websites, or on advertising campaigns. Once someone clicks on that link and they then convert, what happens when I mean convert, they make a purchase or they buy the specific product that we are promoting, that conversion then gets tracked, and then we get paid a commission from that specific sale. It can be 10%, 50%. It really just ranges even up to 80%. I've even seen 100% because of multiple offers. It really just depends on what you're promoting. So that's exactly how it works. Now let me show you a version of this, show you exactly what affiliate marketing is. If I go into YouTube here and I put in Best Microwave 2023 and I click on this specific video right here, this is a video about the best microwave ovens. If we go down and we see this link right here and we click on this link, this is an affiliate link for that specific product. And if I purchase this item right now, that person would get a commission for promoting that product, the person that did the video. So that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now let's get started and I'll show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to cover one of the main ways to make money with affiliate marketing. This is the most popular. What you want to do is you want to go to a website called clickbank.com and you want to click start here and you can sign up your own account. Now I already have an account, so I'm not going to do that, but go to clickbank.com. And this is where we can find specific affiliate marketing offers to promote. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and click on the marketplace tab at the top once you have logged in. And we have all of these different categories. So you can click on all and see all offers. We've got top offers, new offers, fitness and health, e-business, all sorts of specific offers that you could promote. Now for this example, we're going to focus on the top offers. I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to show you all offers here. So we're going to go view all offers just to show you kind of what this is about. And we have all of the offers right here that you could promote. And we have categories on the left and it has the number of offers in there. So we can go to e-business and e-marketing and we have products that we can promote. Now, for this one, for example, we would get an average of $62 per conversion. So per sale, we click promote, we click create hop link, and we get a custom tracking link that we can use to make money. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the other homepage right here, the market page, sorry. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on top offers. And then there's a reason why we're going to click on top offers. And that is because of what is called a gravity score. A gravity score is how many people have made a sale in the last, I think it's either month or 90 days. I can't remember the exact number, but 780 people have made a sale recently or made a commission. And so we know that these specific products are actually converting. And what you'll notice is the top products are health products. All of these products are health products. And the reason why is because if we go to Google Trends right here and we look in the last 7 days, health tips and stuff like that and trying to be healthy is constantly trending like up and down, but it's always like up over 50%, over 50 in Google Trends, which is really, really good. There's always a lot of interest for health. So that is why these products are massive and people are making a lot of money with this type of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one right here, and it's going to take us to the sale page. I've never clicked on this one before, but what this is some type of pill for getting healthy or something like that. I'm not too sure on the details, but that's what this is. You would obviously need to do some research on what you're promoting, but that is one of the ones there. Now, what you can do is you can actually notice on these specific products as well, we have a thing called an affiliate page. Now, an affiliate page, we'll click on this one, for example, is a page that gives you all the information that you need to promote the specific product. So this one here, you can see that they give us links. They give us pixels that we can use for advertising tracking. They give us emails that we could use in our email marketing campaigns. We've got to email them for them. And they also give the demographics. So people that like this specific product are aged between 40 to 80, primarily female, and the locations and stuff. So you can use that to craft your traffic. And they give you images as well. Very simple. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you, I'll show you how to promote this specific product here because they have all the information that we need. And we'll just check out the product real quick, have a look at the landing page. It's actually a very good landing page, very professional. So this is a health product. So what is the next step to making money with this specific thing? Now, do keep in mind, guys, you are going to have to research the product. Make sure that you know what the product is before you start promoting it. Just make sure you do some research. Don't just go and promote any random product. I'm doing this for this tutorial so you can see how easy it is to start putting a link on the internet so you can start getting clicks and making money with affiliate marketing. All right, the next step is you want to go to a website called Vizsla.us. So that's VISLA.us. Once you have done this, sign up for a free account. Now you just need the free account for now and you need to sign up and that's it. Once you have signed up, what you want to do is you want to come back to ChatGPT and you want to make sure you have the pro version to do this. And you want to click on ChatGPT 4 and then go to plugins and you want to make sure you have the Vizsla plugin installed. You can do that by going to the plugin store and then put in that in the search terms and you will find it and then install it. Once you've installed it, and you are going to be using that one, we are then ready to go ahead with our prompt for ChatGPT to create us some content where we can make money from. So, like I said, we're going to base it around health tips just for this tutorial. There is lots of other niches you can get into. Just think outside the box. You could even just Google the best affiliate marketing niches. Down in the bottom, I'm going to paste my prompt, which is create a visual presentation showing the top 5 health tips in 2023. And I'm going to click tell it to create this content and I'll come back when it's done. Now, as you can see, it's done. And then it said to me, please confirm if these details are correct or would like to make any changes. I just put in correct, or you can wait and it'll just do it itself after some time. But what it's done is it's created us a video. We don't need to actually use any of this information. All we need to do is click on video link right here. And that's why we sign up to the website first, because when I click video link, it's going to take us to a video that is literally just being created for us. Now, if you look at this, it's gone and created us a video. Watch this. We literally didn't have to do anything. It's given us the content.
Welcome to our countdown of the top 15 health tips for 2023.
Given us everything.
Tip number 14.
So I'm just going to skip through it.
Regular physical activity to keep your body strong and healthy. Tip number 9. Practice good hygiene habits to prevent the spread of germs. Tip number 8. Take breaks from screens.
So as you can see, with this software combined with ChatGPT, it's created us a 1-minute video presentation. Now, you can go ahead and you can edit this and you can do a new prompt where you could say, hey, I want a 5-minute video. I want more details and stuff like that. But the point is, it's just created a video that you could go ahead and use right away. It's ready to go. Now, we'll have a watermark on it. You would need a premium account if you wanted to use it without the watermark, but it's created a video for you that you can use for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to save this, then move on to the next step. What you want to do is you want to go back to here and you want to copy this code, and you want to go back to here and go save and edit, and you want to put the code in. And then it's going to save the video for you. So now you can go ahead and you can actually edit the video if you want. You can put in more images, you can put in more scenes, you can put in more text, styles, audio. It's actually done a pretty good job for me for this tutorial. So I'm going to export this and I'm going to use this to go ahead and make the money. Now, as you can see, you can add the text, you can put in different styles. There's so much you can do with this particular product. Now, this isn't a product promotion. I'm just showing you this product because it's actually really good. And we have been using this in our business recently to create content because it's so simple to do. Now, I forgot to mention, you can actually use free images. So with the video, when you go to export, it'll say, do you want to use the paid images or the free images? You can actually get it regenerated in free images, which I've done right here. And now these are completely free images that I can use royalty free. So you don't exactly need a premium account, but you can use one if you want. And so now I'm going to go export and I'm going to use this video and I'll show you what I mean once it's exported. All right, so here is a video and it's giving me free videos that I can now use. So this video is ready to be used. So how do we actually go ahead and make money? We need to now focus on the traffic, and we're going to focus on two traffic methods. And the first one is going to be YouTube. So if you remember, this video here was on YouTube, and it's very easy to go and upload videos to YouTube. And it's obviously the #1 video platform online. So what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube and you want to go and upload that specific video. Now you want to do some research on titles and stuff like that, but I'm going to go and upload the video and I'm just going to let that upload. But what I would recommend you do is use something like vidIQ. They have a free version and they can do all of the video search engine optimization for you, so you can get all the keywords and stuff and know what to rank for. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a title right here. Like I said, you are going to have to do some research and I recommend you go ahead and focus on low competition keywords, but I'm going to do something like this. So I'm going to do top 15 tips to get healthy in 2023 that are easy to maintain. So that's just pretty basic. And the keyword in here is like healthy tips and stuff like that. They don't have to actually be side by side. But if you notice in this specific video here, he has down here a massive description. And he has other stuff as well. So and tags. So this is how we get the video ranked in YouTube. So what you could do is you could actually go use ChatGPT as well if you like to go ahead and create a description. I'm not going to do it in this tutorial, but you can actually go ahead and do that. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to also put your affiliate link in. So go to promote now on the product, create hop link, and then copy this specific link right here. And then you want to go to a link shortener and you want to go and post that in there, go shorten link. And then you have a link that you can go ahead and put in your description of the video. Obviously there'll be other text here, but you can put a link in there. All right. And then that is going to be your affiliate link. If people click on that and make a purchase, you would get a commission. And you can also pick a thumbnail here, or you can go and create your own using something like Canva. Now, if we come down here, this is a thing called tags. And this is where we can go and add tags. So healthy food, nutrition, healthy foods. And you can add long tail keyword tags. So something like how to get healthy in 2023, how to stay healthy in 2023. This will have lower traffic, but it's easy to rank for that type of stuff. So you can go ahead and fill the tag section with keywords to potentially go and rank for, and then just go to next and follow the process. I'm not going to upload this video, obviously, because this is not the right channel to do it with. Now let's move on to the other traffic method, but go ahead and use vidIQ. This is not a promotion or anything like that, to go and optimize your videos. Now let's look at the next traffic method. The next traffic method that I really like and is really good for this is Pinterest. And the reason why is because there's a lot of women on Pinterest, and that is our target audience for this specific product. So you can actually go ahead and you can upload videos to Pinterest. Now, I'm not going to do it in this video because it's very simple to do, but all you do, this is kind of like a traffic tip because it was based on the YouTube, but you can go and upload videos and even images to Pinterest, and you can put in your affiliate link. So you can see here 4 ways to get younger as an older guy. This is probably to an affiliate link or a blog, but you can use Pinterest. This is a very good traffic method for health click bank offers. All right, guys, so that's how you can go ahead and make money online using ChatGPT and affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.